Hello, welcome to Sushi Series number 3. And today I'm going to be showing you one of UFC Jim's favorite items on my menu when they would come to my restaurant in Walnut Creek. I was right across the street from UFC, and this was a manly meal for them. They really went crazy for it. It's just amazing. Okay, let me just show you. For the base, we're going to use what we made in the first video, some nice, hearty, protein-packed, nut-based filling. Very easy, all plants. I've got purple onion, avocado, purple cabbage and tomatoes and a little dill, and some red spears of pepper. I'm going to be filling it with spicy arugula and pickles. I've got lovely Bubby's pickle spears here. And my other wraps, collard green. You could use a collard green or a red leaf lettuce wrap. I'm going to try the collard green. And then we also want to make our cream sauce. It takes 30 seconds, okay, a couple minutes. In the blender, it's simply cashews, cup of cashews, little water to start, lots of lemon, and sea salt, or tamari. There is non-GMO soy sauce available. Just look for it. And a clove of garlic. And I'm just gonna blend that up. Oh, simple. It smells like bread. It smells like dough, but whatevs. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna grab my collard green, and there's a thick rib in the center. I like to cut it so that it doesn't interfere with the final rolling. So I just slice the top of it so it's not, that peak isn't there. So now it's all even, okay? Toasted nori. I've got my toasted nori. I'm gonna lay it down with the leaf inside, okay? And I'm gonna pack a nice amount of manly protein. Manly protein. Man and their protein. Now the key ingredient to give this a real trick is pickles, but I'm going to put my mayonnaise or cream sauce first. Just gonna kind of just spoon that on like that towards along the whole roll. Okay. Now this is what really gives it the amazing, like hearty tuna sandwich flavor is the pickles. It's just crazy. I love it. And so just make your pickle spears going across the whole roll. Now I'm gonna add my avocado and let's see, a couple avocado wedges. Nice thick ones so you can actually taste them in there. And then I have some purple onions. I just roughly chopped up. And of course, tomato. Tomato slices. See how it's kind of mountainous there and it kind of tapers off on the end? We do not want that, or else we're gonna have a uneven roll. Okay, and you know what? For extra vitamins even, purple cabbage, you could throw in there. You won't even taste it. All right, so here we're gonna start rolling up this wrap. Gonna clean off my knife. Okay, see what I'm doing? I'm taking it like this with my two thumbs and pressing the rest of my fingers over. Oop, I could see I'm gonna have a problem with this right now, wait, because it's gonna be in the way of the seal. So let me just cut this off really quick. Okay. Okay, let's start again. Here we go. Okay, this is how we roll. Gonna dab the ends with a little water and complete the roll. Now, as you can see, I got a little tear from the rib of the collard green like I thought I would, but that's okay because I'm just gonna slice it along the tear. Preparing food is all about being creative with little challenges that you come across in preparation. Look at that. I'm gonna have this one down and that one like that. If you want, you could do a lovely little dipping sauce. Basically the same ones, a little bit of tamari or namashoyu, non-GMO, a couple drops of rice wine vinegar, a drop of toasted sesame seed oil. Oops, that was not a drop, but I meant to do a drop. And then a nice squeeze of lemon juice and a little bit of water to dilute that concentrated tanginess. And maybe one of those to make it even more beautiful. And voila! So delicious, you guys. I wish you could try it, but if you make it, you will. This took me a total of 10 minutes to make the filling. It is so not hard at all. You know, people think that this food is a little difficult to make and time consuming, but things in life that are worth something, that are important, you know, it does take a little work. And when it comes to my body and my health, I'd rather work hard than take shortcuts and compromise my health. So I offer you 3 delicious, delectable, filling, raw vegan sushi recipes that I really hope you guys make. You're not just drooling. I hope you guys actually make this, enjoy it, and just relish in the bounty and the possibility of plant-based foods and what they can do for us in our body and how they save the planet. Thank you so much for joining me. I love these videos. All right, take care. I hope you guys are having a great day. Bye-bye.